The reason why content creators are creating content is to let people know what they are thinking about, know their thoughts, know their ideas, know their experience and expertise. So if your content is not reaching to the people that you are targeting, then how can you get your thoughts cross path to other people? So in this video, I'm here to give you tips on how you can rank your content, your website content, that is page and post on your website. So giving these few tips, I want to let you know why your content is not ranking presently. First of all, it determines the years that you have created the content. Like if you have created the content today, you shouldn't think that it will rank higher than the one which was created in the past 4 months, 3 years, 10 years. So Google has to make sure that those content that were created in the past is ranking higher to the people, because they tend to be because the creator of that content tended to be the one that has most expertise and experience. But you that have just started creating content now, you are seen to be an amateur with no experience, with low expertise. So the years also included in the ranking of website content. Secondly, location. Where are you creating the content from? For example, if I'm creating the content from Nigeria, you can't compare yourself with the guy who is creating it from the United States of America, because the United States of America is a country that is very high in terms of creating content, in terms of anything that is about technical, about anything. So they have resources, they have expertise, they have everything. But if you are creating from a low country like the countries in Africa, then you can't compare yourself to the one who is creating from the UK, the United States of America, Canada, etc. So that is why you are seeing some content creators are moving from country to United States of America in order for their content to rank higher. Another one is the length of the content. If your content is very short and the messages which you are trying to convey to your reader need to be lengthy, then the content will not rank higher. So it has to contain much more words, thousands of words. If the content should require 5,000 words and you have written 1,000 words, 500 words, how do you think it can rank higher? The content that are on the internet are millions in words. They have millions in words, thousands of words. So you can't compare your own, which is 500 words, 600 words to them. So you have to make sure that your content is lengthy and conversational and informational also. Include information in the content, make it be correct as possible as you can. So these are the steps or tips that you know why your content is not ranking. The tips on how you can rank your website content now is write it lengthy, make it professional, make it experiential. Make your reader know that the person who is writing that content has experience, has authority, and has trust. So make sure that you are using social media platforms to support the ranking of your website. Anytime you have created content on your website, share it on social media platforms like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, etc. And after sharing, advise your team, your friend, your family member to help you share them across on their social media platforms. And also do email marketing, like installing MailChimp on your website so that people can enter their email address. Then anytime you have new content, you update them via their email inbox. We can also do influencer marketing, like going to the people who has more loyal customers, who has more loyal audience than you, to promote your content to their audiences. This is one of the smartest ways that people are ranking their content nowadays. If you wait for the Google to rank your website content organically, it won't happen. In fact, it will happen, but it will not happen easily. It's not something you should wait for it happening within a month, within a year. In fact, if you have started getting website today, you have to let your content to start ranking in the next year, in the next 6 months. That is how content creators should patiently wait for their content to start ranking. If you know that you have found value from this video, please subscribe to this channel and visit fastnormal.com for more information on website design and digital marketing. Thank you for watching. My name is Abazak from fastnormal.com.